All right. Part 3 of the DC-7c Linemar. 1962, 63 probably. We've completed stripping the upper skin from the lower skin of the wing. To do that, it's like I told you. You use a tongue depressor or something, sharpen the edge of it, pry the forward edges out first, and then work your way around to the back of the wing. Pry this one off, and right here, this is one you're going to have to get a sharp object in to work your way around, like a screwdriver or something. Be very careful. Okay, so once that's done, once the separation is made, this skin is still not going to come off because of the propellers and the cowling. Now, to remove this cowling and the props are on there with a friction fit. You can see the serrations on the prop hub. Grab hold of this, get a good grasp on the nacelles, and pull hard. Just keep steady pressure on it, and eventually that bad boy will pop off. And then underneath, you'll have your cowling. Hold on here. You'll have this plastic cowling. You're going to have to pry it off a little bit at a time, so you don't want to crack these. Once that is off, then there's a sub-cowl underneath that keeps these two halves together. So you're going to have to bend the tabs out right there on both sides. Pull this forward. That's where your spring mechanism for your drive comes from, the gearbox. Do the same thing on all four. Once you do that, you can pull the back of this up, slide it forward because you have a contact there, and that bad boy will come right off. Now we can see how this basically 9-volt connector, never seen anything like this, but I get it. Parts left over in the factory, use them. The green wires go to the nav lights. Okay, the nav lights, all the wires right here, 2 of them, depart at that solder connection, which goes to this black wire, which goes to the male connector here, the male pin. That would be your 1.5 volt circuit. This other one would be your 3 volt circuit that runs your motor to turn the gearbox. It's a pretty complex gearbox, consisting of course, cams, timing gears, and camshafts. This is the camshaft, which is the part of the timing circuit, when your nav lights come on, when the engines start. So it'll provide power, I think, to the 2 left engines first, and then to the right hand engines second. So right now, I'm going to go clean this all up. I noted, you can see there's still one nut here with a screw on the other side. That didn't need to be removed. I didn't know that. There's no way of telling. So I'll have to reassemble these. Then we'll go ahead and test these individual circuits. I'm pretty sure this motor will run. It all gets a ground through the chassis. So, now you're this far.